Irene Irumba Mbabazi uri umuhwezi wa kamishano mu kitongore cy'urukurundane emishoro umukuganiraho na TV West bwa nyuma y'urukiko agire ngo batandikireho ibyome birukurwanise emishuuburo kutaha mu ihanga bushuma ngo kunka abashuubuzi bashemerere kuzahabuzoramisho
emishuubuzi kutahamo bitashishura mushoro ebintu nkebyo twine hatiya kituri kweta scanners konka scanners iri aboda konka hari imihanda gimwe itari kumanya cyo turi gukora abeje imihanda ni tutaye abantu kuza kureba bituri kweta informers batugambira abarikora ki kureta ibintu batatashwira konka niwe nko mushubuzi no basa kumanya hari umuntu arikora ki kureta ibintu ije tugambira
bamwe mbashubuzi no bagira ngo nangwe byo kwerinda nabyo tibitiwe mu mani.
Needs now the enforcement to be tight, the security organs to work hard that smuggling is totally confiscated. Secondly, I think URA needs to assess, to sensitize, to sensitize people on how bad smuggling is, because the more taxes we pay, the more services we receive, we as Ugandans.
Abashuubuzi no bagira ngo emishuuburo yagumanetaho mu ihanga kishuma nababasa kuferwa munonga.
Meaning that people who smuggle the commodity from Congo to Uganda, if they are buying a commodity from Congo cheaply than you who's selling it here in Uganda, meaning that your returns will be less because people will be smuggling products from Congo to Uganda on a cheaper price, yet your prices are higher than theirs.
Abebembezi bono bagira ngo abashuubuzi bakamanyira kugumana batasi emishuuburo mu ihanga umuringo gw'ekishobobo.
The ones going because they are used to that, looking at people bringing in palm oil, being charged to pay 8,000 from it, and she's going to earn a profit of 3,000, so they prefer to pass there and earn a bit higher profits from it.
Uganda twenda kukura twani twenda amashomera gabonire tani twende nkuto mbone service enonje tushemere kushishura mushoro watashweshwire mushoro mbwena abana ndi baza bato mushomera watashweshwire mushoro wazo mu irwariro no ni kutanga tutya endwara hatiya mushoro nico kintu nizo sente government zeri kozesa okutaye ibintu nkenkuto amarwariro amashomero okureba ngo umunya-Uganda nakurakurana.
Julius Nandeba orukuru ekitongore cy'urukurundane emishoro habwitaje rya Kasese nagira ngo amashomero mingi gangire kushashura sente z'abakozi ezo bari kushashura bwa nyuma yo gukora kwabo.
I have actually written to all the schools now in Kasese, and I've written to them indicating their tax obligations and what they need to comply with. But the most important tax that schools must comply with is pay as you earn. There is no school that has no employees. So when you're not filing pay as you earn, it means you're not compliant.
Abantu bagira ngo habehe nkwatanisa ya buri omwe okusya obw'omuze gw'okutaasya emishuuburo mu ihanga kishuma kurahweho. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.